Is it he have a car or he has a car? And which of these four sentences is the correct one? Hello and welcome again to English with Rudy. So today we will learn how to use have and has. As you may already know, have and has are verbs. We can use them as helping verbs and as main verbs. In this lesson, we will learn have and has as main verbs. Before we understand how to use have and has, let's first look at subjects. So what are subjects? A subject can be a first person, second person, third person singular, and third person plural. In English, we usually place subjects at the beginning of the sentence. In a sentence, we always have to use a subject accompanied by a verb. So now let's see with which subjects should we use have and has. With first person and second person, we should always use have. For example, I have a car. We have enough time. You have an assignment. We must also use have with the third person plural subject, which is they. They have a nice house. And with third person singular, we must use has. For example, she has long hair. It has many pages. And he has a car. Instead of he, she, it, and they, we can also use nouns. For example, Rapunzel has long hair. The book has many pages. Mike has a car. Kevin and Gina have a nice house. Okay, now what about these four sentences? Which one is correct? Okay, let me help you with the answer. With the first person, second person, and third person plural, we have to use do not have or don't have. For example, I don't have a car. We don't have much time. You don't have a clue. They don't have an appointment. And with third person singular subjects, we always use does not have or doesn't have. For example, she doesn't have a problem. It doesn't have enough power. And he doesn't have a car. So the correct answer is he doesn't have a car. Before I conclude this video, let's do a quick review on what we've learned. Remember to use I, we, you, and they before have, and before do not have or don't have, and use he, she, it before has, and before does not have or doesn't have. I hope this lesson has been helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.